kids! Welcome to Kids Learning ABCD. Let's learn our letters and have some fun!
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for igloo. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for volcano. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra.